my name is Ruth and greetings from Australia. I am a registered migration agent in Australia and also a lawyer of the Supreme and High Court of Australia. Well, today I would like to provide you with updates from the Australian immigration about in light of COVID-19 in regard to visitors visa for those who are holding visitors visas in Australia and also for those who are applying for a visitors visa from overseas. Now please note that the information in this video is not to be treated as legal advice, but it will contain information which will assist you. The general position of the Australian government is that they have been making a number of changes to temporary visa holders' arrangements in order to protect the health of our community, safeguard job opportunities for Australians, support critical industries and assist with the rapid recovery post-virus. The priority of the Australian government at this stage is for public health. All temporary visa holders are encouraged to follow public advice in respect to COVID-19. Now, it is important that temporary visa holders in Australia retain lawful status. Whatever your visa status is, if you're in Australia, there is no barrier engaging with the health system if you are not well. Okay, so in regard to visitors visa holders who are in Australia, so according to immigration in April this year, there are 213,000 yes, visitors visa holders in Australia. A visitor visa only allows a temporary stay, and due to the current circumstances associated with COVID-19, including state and territory border restrictions, business closures, and social distancing requirements, all visitors are encouraged to depart Australia. So that is the general position of the Australian government. So what can you do if you cannot, for some reason, return to your home country? Now, if you're holding a visitor's visa in Australia and you cannot return to your home country, then you must maintain a valid visa and engage with the health system when necessary. Visitor visa holders should apply for a new visa before their current visa expires to maintain their lawful status. If your visa has a no further stay condition, usually that means you cannot apply for another visa whilst in Australia, then you can actually request a waiver of this condition with the Department of Home Affairs to allow you to lodge a new visa application before your visa expires. Now, it can take some time to actually process the waiver, so you will need to do that as soon as possible. Don't leave it to last minute. And if you need help with that, contact us. So that's information in regard to visitors visa holders who are currently in Australia and cannot return home. It is important to bear in mind that you will still need to provide a genuine reason, like you are a genuine temporary entrant to Australia, that you are not just wanting to stay in Australia because for whatever reason. So COVID-19 is not to be taken advantage of. You have to have a very, very good reason. And if you need help with that, contact us. Now, what about visitors who are overseas, who are wanting to apply for a visitor's visa? The position of the government is that if you are just coming to Australia for a holiday, do not apply for the visa unless you have got a very, very good reason. So generally, immediate family members of Australian citizens may receive an exemption for them to be able to travel into Australia. And also in very, very limited circumstances will the Australian government provide an exemption for you to be able to travel to Australia whilst the travel ban is on. If you are someone who is currently living overseas and you need to come to Australia for a very, very good reason and you need help, please contact us as well. So That is the update in regard to visitors visa in Australia and also for those who are outside Australia. Please do not treat this video as legal advice because we assess each case on a case-by-case basis. If you need help, please do not hesitate to contact us on the email address below, and I will be very happy to assist you. Well, all the best with your future pursuit, and take care.